Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I did a video on this just yesterday of this horse trying to clean it up from this Clipart that had a lot of gray matter in it. And now the person would like to have two horses running side by side, but would like to be distinguished between the two horses. Because if we just make a copy of that, you're just going to get that. It's not terrible, but we need a little bit of distinction between the two horses. So I'm going to left click no fill. I must have done something wrong there. Anyway, so there's no feel. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm going to move this horse. I'm just going to have him his tail and his mouth intersect. Now what we need to do is, you know what, let's back him up here a little bit more. You probably wouldn't want him the same size, so I'm going to make him a little bit smaller. His legs are going to be a little bit difficult, but we can go around that. I'm going to go to Effects, Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside. Let's go 0.01. Just have a little bit of a line to the outside, if you remember that. Immediately select that, all that horse. And we need to, the yellow box is going to cause us a little bit of problem. I'm going to go to Object and break the contour apart. If we do not do that, it can cause us problem. Now this horse is in front, so we want to distinguish between the back of the horse. So anywhere there's a horse, two parts meeting, we want the double line. Wherever there's not a horse, we want to virtually delete the inside line, because if you remember, we went to the outside, we contour to the outside. The hoof or the feet area is going to be a little bit more difficult. Like right here, there's only one hoof, so we're going to take away that line and that line. We're going to leave all that. We're going to take away, you know what, I needed to back up here. I need to take away the outside line, because that'll make the hoof too thick. And that doesn't look half bad. This horse is in front, so we need to delete this whole line. Now let's see what it looks like when we fill in the Smart Fill tool. Set on black and see the separation between the horses. You could go maybe with a little bit thicker line, but so wherever there's a double line, just you don't want to do that. That's what I was saying. The hoof part or the leg part is going to make it a little bit more difficult. Really and truly, that's one leg, so we should delete. No, we didn't delete the other line. We're going to not use that line anyway. Well, there's two horses and we didn't really separate them. And I really think that you're not going to be able to tell much difference. Now, it'll look a lot better, I hope, when we select it all and right-click No Outline. And by doing that, it made our detail a little bit. So it looks like that horse is literally in front of the other horse. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.